Hello everyone, I'm making a small video to help you with the activation of your offline lectures. Initially, you are going to receive an email from us, which is going to look like this, okay? Now it's a two-step approach, but make sure you don't skip anything in this video that I'm mentioning because everything is very important. Now, the first step is the downloading and installation of your study platform, and the second step is the downloading of your video lectures. Now, you cannot view the lectures directly. Remember, you'll need the study platform. So you have to download the study platform first of all. So you'll click on this link and the download is going to start. Once the download is going to start, and once it is downloaded, right, it will take like a few minutes. Once it is downloaded, you can keep it on your desktop and it's going to look like this. You have to double click on this and then you're going to receive a message. You have to click on yes, then next, then install and then finish. And of course, it will take a while, right? It's not going to be that quick, of course, right? And once it is installed, so you are going to see another icon like this on your screen. Right now, this is basically your study platform. So you double click on your study platform and now you have to register it. So in your email, if you can see, you have the user ID and the registration code. You are going to use the user ID and the registration code to register yourself. You have to click register, and after that, you have to open your study platform once again, and you have to put your password. Your password is also here, 12345, right? And then you have to wait for a while. It will take a while for the first time when it opens, right? Once it is open, it's going to look like this, okay? So you are going to see your required lectures in here. You have to double click on the folder, right? You are going to see another folder inside, right? So you have to double click on this folder also, and you will see all the lectures inside. Now you might be wondering that I have not downloaded these lectures, so how can I see these lectures? Well, these are the lectures that you cannot directly play. Now, the second step will be applied, which is the downloading of the lectures, right? So let's say, for example, if you open lecture number one, you are going to see a video lectures inside. When you open the video lectures, it will ask for a path, right? That you do not have yet because you have not downloaded your lectures. So you'll go back to your email. This is the second step now. Okay, you'll go back to your email and you are going to open this link, which will be a Google Drive or a OneDrive link, right? And is going to look something like this, right? So these are, let's say, lectures of one of the subject, right? Now remember, don't download all the lectures at once. Please don't download all the lectures at once. You are going to right click here and you will see some options, right? Once you right click here, one of the option will be download. So you click on the download and the download is then going to start and it's going to look like this. Once downloaded, you can keep it on the desktop or anywhere you wish. I prefer to keep it on the desktop. Now, because I've done it already, so it's going to look like this. Now, remember, this is a zip folder. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to right click on this and extract here to unzip it, right? So I'm going to unzip it. Once it is unzipped, again, it will take like a moment, right? Then I can actually delete the zip folder. Now, let's say this subject was subject, let me call it F4, right? So I'm going to make a folder on the desktop, let's say F4 lectures, right? If you don't want to keep it on the desktop, it's up to you. I just want to keep it on my desktop. So I'm going to keep it here, right? Now, what am I going to do next, right? I'm going to open the software once again. And once I open the software, again, it's going to look like this, right? So you open it and then open the F4 folder in which you are going to see some lectures like this. Let's say you have 12 lectures, right? And let's say when you open lecture number one, now when you double click on this lecture number one video file, it will ask for a path, right? and then you can simply select the part that you have downloaded, which I'm basically keeping on my desktop. So you can select that folder and then you can start playing your video lectures. Okay, I hope it was helpful. Once it is done, then you can basically download the rest of the lectures also, but make sure you download it one by one. You don't download all of them at once. Okay, so you'll have to, like, you can download, for example, one by one or maybe maximum two by two, right? Depending on your internet speed, but make sure you don't download all of them in one go, because in this way, if you do it, there might be some missing files also. I hope it was helpful. In your email, you are also going to see some um, helpful numbers, so you can contact us whenever you need help. I hope it was helpful, and thank you very much.